Try this quick 15-minute teriyaki shrimp and veggies. Saute 2 cups of cauliflower florets as well as 2 cups of broccoli florets in avocado oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook. Sprinkle some sea salt and cook for another couple minutes or so. Meanwhile, make the teriyaki sauce using 2 tablespoons of tamari or 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Skip this if you want to make an AIP version. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Fresh grated ginger, 1 tablespoon, or you can also use ground ginger as well. 1/4 cup water. And honey as a sweetener, 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of arrowroot starch to give it some nice thickness. Stir it well to mix all the powders. Now take 10 to 12 thawed shrimp and marinate it with that. Cook the shrimp with the veggies, adding the sauce on the top.